Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to go over some 5 off of 25 breakdowns for Saturday, September 21st at Dollar General. I just want to remind everyone to make sure you're scanning the products that you're going to buy on your Dollar General app just to make sure your coupon is going to attach when you buy it. A lot of the time the digitals are kind of iffy, so you just want to make sure your deal's going to work before you get up to the counter. We did end up getting that 5 off of 25 on our digital account for Saturday, September 21st. And in all the deals I'm about to show you, we are going to use that 5 off of 25. For deal number 1, we're going to have the lowest out-of-pocket out of all the deals that I have done. So you want to pick up one of the Finish Maxim one. You want the one that's over in the dollar section, and it's a 4-pack. Then you want one of the Gain 34 count dryer sheets for $2. Then you want either the Schick Classic Women's Disposable Razor for $4 or the Schick Classic Sensitive Disposable Men's Razor for $4. Next you want to pick up the Tide Simply Pods 13 count, and those are $2.95. Then you want to pick up the Aleve Back and Muscle 24 count, and this week those are back up to $4.25. And one of the Bic Sensitive Single Blade 10 count razors for $2.85. You also want the Gain Liquid Laundry Detergent 40 ounce for $3.95. And lastly, you want the Tide Pods 16 count for $4.95. So we're going to go over next all the coupons you will need for this deal, and they will all be digital coupons. You want, of course, the 5 off of 25 for Saturday, September 21st. You want the $1 off any one Finish. Not everyone got this coupon. I'm sorry if you didn't. The $2 off of the Gain dryer sheets. The Save $3 off any one Schick disposable. The Save $2 on one Tide Simply Pods 13 count. The $3 off any one Aleve Back and Muscle 24 count or larger. The Save $2 off any one Bic Single Blade, Twin Blade, Bic Comfort 3. And the Save $2 on one Gain Liquid Laundry Detergent. And the Save $2 on one Tide Liquid Laundry Detergent, Tide Pods, or the powder. So your final cost will be $25.95. You have $22 in coupons, leaving your total before tax just $3.95. And here's a list of all the stuff you want to buy if you want to screenshot that. And there's also a list of all the digital coupons that you will need to do this deal. All right, for deal number 2, we're going to have laundry and some cleaning products. The first thing you want to pick up is 2 of these products. They are 2 for $8. Make sure you're definitely scanning these because there are other ones on sale, 2 for $8, that are not included in the coupon. Next, you want the Tide Simply Pods 13 count for $2.95. Then the regular Tide Pods 16 count, those are $4.95. And the Gain 34 count dryer sheets, those are $2. Then you want to pick up one of the Pine Sol multi-purpose cleaners. The 24 ounce bottle is $2. Then you want a soft scrub cleanser with bleach, the 24 ounce, and that is $3. And lastly, you want those Bic Sensitive Single Blade 10 count razors for $2.85. Now we're going to go over all the digital coupons that you will need to do this deal. Of course, you want the 5 off of 25. I always include this because sometimes people forget to clip it. Then you want the Save $4 on 2 of the All or Snuggle, and it tells you right here which ones you can get. Then you want the Save $2 on one Tide Simply Pods 13 count. The Save $2 on the Gain dryer sheets. And the save 50 cents when you buy any one Pine Sol multi-purpose cleaner 24 ounce or larger. And the save $1 on any one soft scrub cleanser. And lastly, you want that save $2 on one Bic single blade, twin blade, Bic Comfort 3. So your total is going to be $25.75. You have $18.50 in coupons, leaving your total before tax just $7.25. And here's that list of stuff to buy and all the coupons you'll need. And if this plays too fast for you to take a picture, just pause it and then take your picture. All right, lastly, deal number 3 is going to be a deal with food in it. I did a food deal last week and I had a few more people ask for another one. So about half of it's food, half of it's other products. You want the Oreo family size cookies, 19.1 ounce, and those are $4 a piece. You want 3 of the Campbell's chunky soup for $1.65 a piece, and there are a bunch of different types you can choose from. You also want 1 of the Old El Paso taco dinner kits for $2.65. And a 6-pack of the Danimal smoothies, and those are also $2.65. Then you want 1 of the Tide Simply Pods 13 count for $2.95. And pick 1 of the Schick razors for $4, either the women's or the men's. And lastly, you want that Aleve Back and Muscle 24 count for $4.25. All right, now we're going to go over those digital coupons that you're going to need to do this deal. You want the 5 off of 25 for Saturday, September 21st. The save $1 when you buy any one family size Nabisco cookies or crackers. So if you don't want the Oreos, you can obviously get a family size of the Nabisco cookies or crackers. It doesn't have to be Oreo. You want the buy 2, get 1 free on the Campbell's Chunky Soup. These save 75 cents when you buy any one size variety Old El Paso dinner kits, taco bowls, or beans. You also want that save $1 off any one Danimals multi-pack. These save $2 on 1 Tide Simply Pods 13 count. These save $3 off any one Schick disposable razors. And these save $3 on any one Aleve Back and Muscle 24 count or larger. So your total is going to be $25.45. You have $17.40 in coupons, leaving your total before tax just $8.05. So again, here is that list of everything you want to buy to do this deal, followed by the list of all the digital coupons you want to use to do this deal. All right, I'd like to thank everyone for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you would. I'd love to have you subscribe if you're new. If there's any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Also, make sure you're watching on Saturday because I'm going to announce the winner of the hidden giveaway. And again, I know I say it all the time, but make sure you're scanning those receipts you get from shopping on the Fetch app. If you don't have the Fetch app, I will leave my link in the description box below. All right, everyone, I'll talk to you Saturday.